That hit in your stomach as you walk into the conference room, knowing you're about to hear the words, "The design still isn't ready." The pressure mounting behind the smile. The tightrope between advocating for your team and managing expectations. That crushing disappointment when your latest design iteration fails in testing, when the hours of work, the late nights, the careful planning crumble in front of you. We felt that sting too. It feels like a never-ending wave of more when you're already on the limit. Or helplessness, when someone else's delay means your timeline shrinks. You're the one left patching holes, finding solutions, and carrying the burden of everyone else's mistakes. Yeah, we've been there too, and you're not alone. At Evology Manufacturing, we have lived these moments. We know how heavy it gets, but more importantly, we know how to lift that weight off of your shoulders. Our promise is simple: quotes in hours, delivery in days. Not just words, but a lifeline, a commitment you can trust. When you call, a real human answers. Someone who cares, someone who's been in your shoes before, someone who knows that behind every design there is a team fighting to meet deadlines, chasing that quality requirement, and holding on to their sanity. We move fast so you can breathe, so you can leave work knowing you're covered, so you can show up for your kid's t-ball game, sit down for that family dinner, and finally relax on movie night without your mind racing. Because life isn't just about the hustle, it's about the moments, the ones you miss when your work keeps pulling you back in. We're here to change that. Quotes in hours, delivery in days, on time, within budget, every time. This isn't just the way we work, it's our promise to you, because we know the fight, we felt the weight, and we're here to help you carry it. Evology Manufacturing, where the impossible becomes possible.